Hazrat Ibn Umar radiyallahu anhu reports, Hazrat Umar along with the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, accompanied by other people, went to Ibn Sayyad till they found him playing along with the boys among the knolls of Bani Maghala, and he was then near to his puberty. He remained unaware till the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam stroked him with his hand and then said to Ibn Sayyad, "Do you testify that I am Allah's apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam?" Ibn Sayyad looked at him and said, "I bear witness that you are the apostle of the illiterate." Ibn Sayyad said to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, "Do you testify that I am Allah's apostle?" He sallallahu alaihi wasallam finished with him and said, "I believe in Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and his apostles," and asked him, "What do you see?" Ibn Sayyad said, "A true and a liar visit me." The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Your matter has become dubious." Then the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said to him, "I have kept a secret for you in my heart." Ibn Sayyad said, "It is al-duh." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Be off with you. You cannot cross your limits." Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu said, "O Allah's apostle, allow me sever his neck off." The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "If he is Dajjal, you cannot overpower him. And if he is not the same, there is no good for you in killing him." Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 1354.